How to use market orders on Binance.com is relatively easy. So here we've got the charts. We're on the BTC USDT trading pair. Here we've got the level 2 order book with red prices at the top. That's the sell orders, and the green ones are the buy orders. Now the thing is, with market orders, you are currently buying at the best possible price where your buy or sell order will be filled at. So that means you don't actually know which price it will be filled, and in my opinion it's much better to perform limit orders if you've got a lot of time. The thing is with market orders is you're going to have a lot of slippage, and it's possible that you have a much worse buying price or much worse selling price when you use a market order. The only reason why people use market orders if they want to have their order filled right now at this second, right as soon as you click the buy button, your order gets filled. Now of course, if the market is moving drastically, like it's pumping up and you want to get into that trade right away, then you might want to use a market order. Or if the price is plummeting and you want to get out of a position, then you might also want to use a sell order, a market sell order with BTC, for example, if you want to get out of a position right now. However, if you've got much more time, then I suggest to use the limit order where you can select your buy or sell price. With the market order, you have no option to select the buy or sell price, and you have a much worse exchange rate when buying or selling Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. So market order, easy to remember, it's right now. Limit order, it's at your convenience. When it happens, you select the price. However, it doesn't mean that the price will be reached right now. It could take a few minutes or even a few hours depending on the liquidity. The market orders right now, limit, it depends. Have a great day. Hope you found this helpful, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.